Hyla, happy birthday. Na ako gihimo para sa imo. This is for you only. By me.
As a woman at her age, ang akong lola ay may maraming trabaho dahil talented at multitasker siya sa magpap-queen, president, doctor, magician, scientist, professional chef, policewoman, at isang CEO sa kanyang kumpanya Helen Corporation. Pero alam niyo ba? Unang-una, si Helen Bigasco ay ina, lola, at an inspiration to all. May marami man talagang siyang career, pero as a lola, a mother, she is the best. And her resilience and hardworking nature is what makes her, her. And dili ko gusto laing lula kung dili siya.